All right, back to that story that had a lot of people talking in the newsroom today of the video purportedly of Bigfoot. New video there. Dr. Melba Ketchum is a believer. She's also the director of the Sasquatch DNA project. She's our guest this afternoon, and I'm sure that you get a lot of people who say, come on.
Oh, yeah.
What's this done to you? You said it's been actually kind of hard on you.
Oh, it's been rather painful. I was naive when I went into this. I thought science would welcome new information if it was available. I didn't believe it. I didn't think they existed when I started this.
But you do believe it now?
Oh, yes, I have to believe it. Not only does the DNA data prove it, but I've actually seen them at this point. Brought some of the people that were at our news conference, invited me, and I actually have seen them now.
Now, the DNA here that we're talking about, how is it found? How is it extracted?
There were a bunch of groups that were out to look and find the DNA, especially the Erickson project with Adrian Erickson. They actually had a PhD on staff and a manager. They spent untold amount of money to not only accomplish the video, but to collect forensically sound DNA samples. And my basics is in forensics, so the chain of custody was intact.
Well, now, the Houston Chronicle tested this, though, and they sort of questioned your findings.
No, the Houston Chronicle did not test it. The lab that they wanted us to share with did not test it. They wanted to look at some of the genome. They didn't even get the whole genome. They did a very cursory thing. They wouldn't even talk to me on the phone about it.
Now, people will look at the video and the pictures that we have, and it seems like it's always grainy or strange or what have you. How come it's never clear if this is out there? They
are a type of people. They're a human hybrid, we believe, and all the DNA evidence points to that. And they can elude us, and therefore, if you get it at all, it's going to be very fleeting. And though Adrian Erickson has absolutely gotten some beautiful video, especially a full facial shot where she turns and actually looks at you.
Who funds this? How do you get the money to go forward with this? Because there's so many people out there that just, they don't believe in this. Well,
actually, the majority of the money came from an entrepreneur, Wally Hersom, out of Henderson, Nevada. And the other portion came from Adrian Erickson. They're both entrepreneurs, and they're interested in the subject matter, and were willing to fund the study because they wanted to prove that it existed and does exist. And we just happened to be the lab that ended up with it.
And yet there are a lot of people out there who still don't believe, so the work's not done yet.
No, I mean, they're not going to believe it. A lot of people are not going to believe till we have a body, but we're not pro-kill. They're a type of person. That's murder. So you cannot kill them.
Okay, interesting topic. Thanks for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you so much.
Colleen?